Firing up the smoker today. We're going to make some smoked barbecue chicken nachos right here on What the Fork. Alright, welcome back to another episode of What the Fork. Today I have my smoked barbecue chicken nacho recipe I'm going to show you how to make. For all the nacho lovers, this is a great recipe, so go ahead and check it out. Alright, we're going to start off with some pollo caliente seasoning and some chicken breasts. I picked this up from a local store here, like a local barbecue store in my area. If you can find it where you live, cool. If not, use whatever type of seasoning you want to use on your chicken breast that you prefer. Just make sure you go ahead and get them seasoned up real good, front and back, as you can see like I'm doing here. Get it all rubbed in. And once your chicken breasts are all seasoned up, I'm going to take it out to the smoker, or if you have a barbecue grill, just make sure you go ahead and set it to 225, and it should take the chicken breast about a little over an hour to get done. I just bought this Camp Chef, so I'm really excited about it. All right, go ahead and throw your chicken breasts on, and while those are cooking, we're going to go ahead and fry our turkey bacon up. This is the secret ingredient for my barbecue chicken nachos. A lot of other places use pork bacon, use a turkey bacon. All right, back out to the smoker. Internal temperature is 165 on the chicken breast. That make sure it's cooked all the way through and still juicy. You don't want dry chicken breast. There you see it, beautiful color. We all good on the chicken breast. So let's take these inside, get them chopped up so we can start building our nachos. All right, so these are perfect for Taco Tuesdays, fight night, Super Bowl, all those little events. You can make these, or you can just make them whenever you want to feel like making them. All right, so let's go ahead and build it out. I'm going to go chicken first. I'm going to go ahead and throw our turkey bacon on top. And let's go ahead and throw our cheese. I'm using shredded Colby Jack cheese for this one. You can use the Mexican 4 cheese if you want to. All right, after our cheese, we're going to throw our fresh Pico de gallo. You can pick that up from the supermarket already prepared. That way you save yourself time not having to chop up tomatoes, cilantro, and all that stuff. And I'm using Jack Daniel's honey barbecue sauce for this one because the seasoning that I use for the chicken is actually spicy, so it's going to be like a sweet spicy. All right, once our barbecue sauce is on, we throw it in the oven for 400 degrees until the cheese is all the way melted. So we're going to pop that in the oven and pop it back out, and there you have it. Smoked barbecue chicken nachos. Like I said, perfect for a fight night, game night, Taco Tuesday night. This is a winner. Sprinkle some parsley on there, and you're good to go. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks again for watching. It is What the Fork.